Hey! Welcome back to Rainbow Brush with me, Simon. How are we doing today? We doing cool? Good. Today, we're gonna draw some spaceships. The good thing about drawing spaceships is when we come to colour them in, we can use some great colours. You can do them flying, you can do them parked. Big bright colours for the flames, big bright colours for the spaceships. There's lots of different styles too. That's a typical spacecraft for you there. Aren't they weird looking spaceships? It's like if you think, most cars do have a similar shape, don't they? And they all look very similar. Some change a little bit, but on the whole, spaceships are really different in shapes and sizes. Flying around space, flying to the space shops to get some space milk, some space bread, taking it home and having a space dinner. Be cool. Did you know that in space, there are more stars in space than there are people on Earth? Of course you knew that. That's an easy fact, isn't it? Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can subscribe to the channel here. Just click the subscribe word underneath this picture. If you're unsure about signing up for anything, or mums and dads aren't happy with you doing it without speaking to them, just speak to them first. We'll send you notifications of everything we're doing here on Rainbow Brush. But if you're subscribing to anything, always ask that question. Hello, Mum. Can I subscribe to Rainbow Brush? Of course you can. Look at this rocket. This is a cool one. Big fire coming out of those jet engines that propel all space rockets into space. This one's going to be really cool when we're finished, because all these rockets look like they're flying and they're in space, and we've got stars. And you can do stars any kind of size you like. Because the smaller stars can be the ones that are further away. Again, that'll give your picture tons and tons of depth. Do your rockets different sizes too. Put a big rocket near the front so it looks like it's really close up, and then a little rocket at the back so it looks like it's miles away. All these rockets could be going to work in the morning, couldn't they? All carrying different spacemen to their space jobs. If I was a spaceman, I'd be a space cowboy. I think that'd be cool. I'd love that. If you're not sure how to draw a rocket, you can pause this video at any point. That might help a little bit. Then just catch up, get your drawing perfect, and then press play again, and it'll start from where you paused it. Or, why not watch the video again and draw in time with us? Draw real time. If you're worried about making any mistakes on your drawings, don't be worried about making mistakes on drawings, because a drawing is your interpretation of what you see it as. So again, if you make a mistake, incorporate the mistake into the drawing. That'd be cool. Or if you're a bit of a perfectionist, you can start your drawings off in pencil, draw the outlines in lightly, and then go over all your lines with a permanent black marker or any colour marker. We suggest using a black marker for the edges, because then when you colour in your drawing, you can overlap your colours into your black, and the black will just absorb all the colours. That's cool. Sometimes when we've drawn this, what we'll do is we'll go around the outside in a thicker black pen, a much thicker black marker pen. You share all this information with your friends when you can draw and they're all going, wow, look at those space rockets. Right, it's time to get the colours out. Again, you're drawing your spaceships, you can colour them whatever colour you like. But try and keep the flames oranges and yellows, because flames are orange and yellow. It gives that impression that that's a hot engine, it's propelling that rocket into space. 5, 4, 3,
2, 1. We have liftoff.
Lots of bright colours. That's the brilliant thing about drawing, isn't it? All the bright colours when you're finished. Doesn't matter whether you use a felt tip pen or whether you've just got some pencils, coloured pencils, doesn't matter. If you've got a big blackboard, you could draw this on a blackboard, couldn't you? Blackboards are brilliant for drawing on because you can just rub it out and then start again. You never need to buy any more paper. Love all the bright colours. Can you spell space? It's not a word that you use very often, is it? S-P-A-C-E. That's how you spell space. Oh, nice and pink on that one. Again, don't be afraid to leave parts of your drawing white. Not everything has to be coloured in. And there we go. How cool do they look? There's all our completed space rockets. Love those. When you've drawn yours will look awesome. So from me, Simon, and the Rainbow Brush team for this visit, we'll catch you next time. Space rockets. Don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye. Bye-bye. See you next time.